Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I am back again with another awesome video. Now we know that businesses need something special and every meeting room needs something amazing, and that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. It is one of the smart business projectors from BenQ. It's called BenQ EH600. It's a wireless Android based smart projector and it has some awesome business features along with 3500 lumens and 1080p resolution. Now, when it comes to projectors, you get them in all shapes and sizes and different price points and with different applications. But what EH600 from BenQ focuses on is making your business life easier. Now, it does that by having varied amount of wireless connection options, built-in business apps, and of course over-the-air firmware updates which make sure that all the latest tech reaches your projector and make sure that your business productivity continues to grow and enhance. It's got of course the wireless projection, the mirroring capabilities across various platforms like Mac and iOS, Android, or even Windows-based PC by this simple click of a button, and making sure that your presentations don't face a challenge of wire clutter. It has internet connectivity which comes in with a small USB dongle which is provided to you, which you just need to install it onto the projector and you are good to go. Let's talk about in a little bit in detail what each one of these elements that we just spoke about mean and how it impacts your business. Now, when we talk about wireless projection from any platform, we're talking about using your smartphone to project it on to EH600, your tablet, your laptop, or even your PC. No matter which operating system are you working with, whether it's Mac, iOS, Android, or Windows, you are good to go. That means you can use any device in your office, in your hand, in your pocket, and do a wireless projection on EH600. With this basically eliminates all the wire clutter and plugging in, having the right connectors and the cables, and making your life easier, your business more efficient, and your meeting room more neat and clean. Helps you organize everything in a very beautiful way. It supports all sort of formats from JPEG to PDF to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, videos, and many more, where the USB Type A port allows you to easily project images and documents directly from the projector itself, so you don't need to explicitly connect it to the PC again. Removing clutter, removing extra devices, and all you need to carry for a business meeting which you're going for is just a USB with all the details that you need, and you can just plug it into EH600 and it's good to go. Some of the smart intelligent features which give you that productivity and efficiency to work as a team is one of the key features which I absolutely adore in EH600 is the Blizz, which means it allows you to do video conferencing and share your screen with your colleagues. Isn't that awesome on a projector? Imagine you're used to doing this from the comfort of your laptop, but now you can do it on a bigger screen and you can have a better sharing experience. It has TeamViewer installed in it, which means a remote user support can be easily provided. It has WPS Office apps pre-installed, which means Word, Excel, PowerPoint can run through USB because of these apps being pre-installed. It has a built-in Firefox browsers, which means you can browse through internet on your EH600 without having to plug in anything. Now that is literally, in a way, having a small PC on a bigger screen with awesome connectivity options, and which we can use not just from the USB or wireless projection from any of your devices. You can actually cast directly from your cloud, which means Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, any of the document management systems and storage systems that you're using. BenQ account management system allows you to link all these and directly cast onto your projector. Now that is a all new level of awesome stuff to add productivity to your business. It also has Xsign broadcast, which means using your device that you're casting from, the laptop, the smartphone, the tablet, you can directly send a text, image, or a video to your projector, so everyone in the meeting can see the messages immediately, and you can actually even send a YouTube video link and play it directly onto the projector using X-Sign broadcast feature, which is brilliant. Now, managing all these devices, how do you manage them? BenQ has made it even easier. They have a device management solution, which means all the devices connected to the projector can easily be managed, making life of your IT managers easier, and they can do it remotely with ease and comfort. And as I said, my favorite feature of the lot is the video conferencing, specifically when today we are working from home and remote working is becoming sort of a standard and a norm amongst a lot of businesses. Having this projector at home makes your life easier, gives you more efficiency, and gives you that big screen experience that you would have in a meeting room otherwise. All you need is literally use a wireless mirroring app from your laptop or your device, and Blizz app on it, and you're good to go. When it comes to the physical aesthetics of EH600, it's a beautiful looking feed. It's not very bulky for a business projectors. Normally you see those big monster projectors which have all these kind of features, or none of these features in some cases. But EH600 is slightly different. It is a beautiful looking, aesthetic looking piece, very normal sized projector. It's got all the features. It's got 2 USB Type A ports, 1 mini USB port, Type B port, HDMI port, the whole works, so that, in case you want to use some traditional methods of connectivity or use multiple USBs at the same time, you can actually use these connectors, and the interface using on the body is fairly easy. The settings are fairly easy to manage, and when it comes to the whole experience, it's dust resistant. Specifically the lens part is designed to be dust resistant. The body is, so you don't have to worry about those fingerprints and making the projector dirty, and sometimes it can cause an embarrassment when you have people coming and visiting your meeting room and they see those fingerprints and dirt on the projector. Great stuff. As I said, intuitive design, all the buttons that have been placed to give you almost complete control of your projector at your fingertips. Guys, this is the BenQ EH600, an Android-based smart projector for businesses. And this is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off. But before I say the final goodbyes for this video, can I please request you to press that subscribe button and the bell icon, and continue to extend your continuous support. And if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding EH600 or regarding the video or the type of video you want to see, please leave a comment and we will be happy to take care of that concern or your inputs. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off. Goodbye and stay safe. Peace.